Hello and welcome back. As promised in the previous video, we are now heading towards the main beauty of Japan, capital city, Tokyo. Also one of the largest cities in the world. Now this city is a contrast of neon lights, towering skyscrapers, and standing side by side along the skyscrapers are their ancient shrines and temples. If you click on Google to find places in Tokyo, the size of the city might make you nervous. Amazingly, as huge as this city is, the navigation there is extremely organized and it's hard to lose your way. Let's start with the most iconic landmark, the Tokyo Skytree Tower, also known to be one of the tallest modern-day structures on Earth. It offers a panoramic view from its observation deck, standing 634 meters, 2,080 feet tall. It became the tallest structure in Japan in 2010. Once you're up there on the observation deck, your eyes will feast on the entire view of the city. And it just enhances the experience once the night lights are spread like stars, shining on the ground. The tower also lights up at night and can be admired from a distance. When planning to visit the Skytree, book your tickets online to avoid the long lines at the ticket booth. Also, the prices are cheaper than buying it the day of your visit. You can book your tickets 30 days prior to your visit, and in case your plans change, there is a free cancellation 24 hours ahead of time. Another popular destination is the Tokyo Tower, the second tallest tower in the city, and it looks inspired by the Eiffel Tower. It's breathtaking, especially at night, with all the lights illuminating its beauty from a distance. Tokyo has a large population, surrounded by tall buildings, crowded streets, modern architecture. But in the center, they have preserved a historical treasure, the Imperial Palace, surrounded by lush green and large trees. The Imperial Palace narrates a deep history of the Japanese monarch and the beauty of their traditional architecture. The palace is a must-visit with all its grandeur of the Japanese monarch. There's a lot of excitement when someone mentions the Tsukiji market, known to be the largest seafood open market in the world. This historic market samples some of the best and largest variety of seafood, from tuna, squid, lobster, salmon, an exotic variety of shrimps, and the art of making Japanese sushi. This market holds all the secrets of its delicacy. And when you have savored the delicious seafood during the day, stop by the Senso-Ji temple in the evening. This historical temple is a showcase of Japanese culture with its gorgeous architecture and the intricate carvings and sculptures around the building. This temple also enhances a peace and calmness that's a part of Japanese Buddhism history. If you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of temple activities with incense burning and prayers. A one-day stop in Tokyo is not possible. Then, a trip to Japan needs an itinerary of at least 10 to 15 days. At least 4 days for Tokyo, trust me. Another place that captures everyone's interest and attention in Tokyo is the Akihabara neighborhood. This place is the hub of all kinds of electronics, from latest to vintage. It's found in this mega market. If you're a tech lover, you don't want to miss this place. From the latest smartphones to iPads to the old video games and all the famous Japanese pop cultures and anime, it's found here. Whether you're traveling with kids, who are teenagers or older, or you're a sole traveler, this place is a tech paradise. And when we are talking about technology and its advancement, Japan is no short of presenting an auspicious display. And this you'll discover in TeamLab Planets. Exhibits in this arts museum is guaranteed to make you lose your mind. Here's why. Because this is where you can walk through water. They have a garden where you become one with the flowers. You can go barefoot and immerse yourself in the artwork together with the flowers. The artwork that changes under the presence of the people. This exhibition is available until the end of 2023. though some part of the exhibition is now closed because of the three-dimensional expansion. So better hurry. And once upon a time, you were a kid, and Tokyo is not complete without a day visit to Disneyland. Many countries have their very own Disneyland, and Japanese are so lucky to have one in their own country. Have you heard of the famous Shibuya crossing? You can't leave Tokyo without an experience at the most amazing crossing intersection. With the tourism in full bloom now, you'll find this crossing in all its crowded glory as it once was, and then head towards the world's largest Nintendo store that just opened its doors. And if you are craving more for Japanese culture, then there is a trip to Edo Wonderland, where you can choose a Japanese cultural costume and step back into a time machine. You'll get to interact with the Edo town people and enjoy some live traditional performances. And of course, if you can squeeze a little bit more time for more experience, drop in at Ninja Cafe, where you can enjoy Japanese snacks and enjoy the ninja experience. There is so much to cover in Tokyo. This city is a financial, technological, and cultural hub, making it a global lead in arts, fashion, and entertainment industry. The two international airports, Haneda Airport and Narita International Airport, are the busiest in Japan. To make your way around the city and easy access, you can purchase your JR Pass through Klook or Japan Railway Pass. And for more reliable currency exchange, you can visit a nearby bank or the post office. Best area to stay? Well, a lot of people mention Shinjuku. It's a lively place with restaurants and shops, and of course more convenient to plan your day visits. I mentioned the purchase of SIM cards and hotels in my previous video, so check it out if you haven't already. And remember, in Japan, wherever you plan to go, you need to book it in advance. With the touring season coming to full swing, you don't want to miss out if a place is sold out. We'd love to bring you more countries and plan an exciting trip. So please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Voyage. See you soon. Until next time.